We got our new shop, guys. So we haven't been vlogging much, but the reason is we've been trying to get into this building, get this shop. We finally got it. I'm not gonna do a building tour yet because you guys hear it back there. It's crazy. We have a ton of work to do to get this building dialed in. But yes, Premium has a brand new location. It's our own building. It's exciting. It's a whole nother chapter for us. And I'm so glad to take you guys along for the ride. Got the crew here. We're taking apart this building. We're gonna start just like we did last time. You guys watched us dismantle our last building and put it together and make it home. And now we got to do it all over again 2 years later. So way bigger building. I'll give you guys a building tour soon, but today we're gonna focus on tearing out walls and just kind of hanging out and getting to know the building. Okay, this is the first time here, right?
It is.
You like it?
I like it. Love
So
it.
your room?
What up? I did.
Your room's gonna be right there for production, but I think we're gonna rip out half that wall so it kind of fits into the warehouse. We got the mezzanine up there. We got a really, really cool idea that we're gonna do down here. We're gonna do like a full light room. So I'll give them the tour with you. So the idea with the mezzanine is to make this the video room. So I'm gonna run LEDs all the way through here. I'm gonna put white acrylic around it and make a very, very nice white light presentation.
Oh, thank you.
So this will be where filming's gonna happen. A full toolbox back there. Yeah, YouTube film right here. In-house service over there. Service over there. And then we'll take a little quick walk through the offices real quick. There's quite a few offices here. One of the things we're doing is we're gonna be doing a full-on showroom, so you guys can come out, hang out. Here is probably the media room. Got this one. I like the ceilings, bro. They're really high up.
Oh yeah.
Media room, little hallway. I need an office.
Oh, this is your office?
Showroom. Oh, Jack's gonna be in the office.
Oh.
This is the showroom. We're gonna probably break this into another building right here. We're gonna put glass right here, so we can get another office. Little kitchen. And there's Kennan's room.
Yay! And bathroom.
What's up, Lo?
What's that?
There is a boys' bathroom and a girls' bathroom over there. And then back out to the warehouse. You can only sneak up in the bathroom?
Yeah. Wow.
That looks so much better without those blinds there. It makes it feel way more open.
Yep.
So the 1970s blinds are now gone. We're gonna rip up all the carpet and we're gonna do something cool.
It's gonna be fun.
Stink, bro. It's about to stink in here. Ready for this?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh shit! So after we got the place blessed, now we're gonna get to work. We're gonna actually take out the carpet throughout the whole building. First things first, we're gonna do the lobby because the business doesn't stop. We have appointments booked up with you guys coming next week, so we need to get this showroom finished up. We also have to be out of our old building this Friday. So with that said, we've got a lot of work to do in a very short amount of time, amongst balancing the workload as well. So it's gonna be crazy. I wanna get the carpet out of here and I wanna get this whole thing painted today. That's what we're gonna focus on. We're not gonna do all the customization stuff today, obviously. We're just gonna get the skeleton done. So carpet up, walls painted, and then we'll start moving in furniture. And then slowly throughout the vlog, you'll see everything progress over the next 2 weeks. We're gonna be doing a lot. Like this building, I wanna make it like home. I really, really wanna make it dope. All the things I've ever talked about doing at any other place, I wanna do it here. We have the space, it's our own building. We don't have to ask anybody, we just do what we want. So we're gonna go crazy and let's go pull this carpet. Let me give them kind of the grand tour of what we're gonna do. Right here, we're gonna put a glass partition wall. So basically, Lauren's office is gonna be right here. So we're gonna put glass with the door right here. So which allows her to be in the showroom without being in the showroom in case she's on the phone with an angry customer or a happy customer. No one has to hear it because it's happening behind that door. Here's the showroom right here. Gonna make this a cool spot. We're gonna go full retail. We're gonna offer out a couple of different products. I'm gonna leave the gloves on because they look cool. Nice little hallway. My office will be here. Jack's office, mine and Jack's office. He says I have to call it his office too. I'll let him in when I want to. This right here, this is probably gonna be media room. So photos, videos, anybody who is hired in for artwork, design, it's gonna happen right here. So we're gonna deck this out, make it a cool little tech room. The cool part about the shop is there's 2 gates, there's 2 openings. You got one here. This is like the front loader, and then there's like a rear loading, side loading gate. I think what we're gonna do is like our general roof wraps and ins and outs for the day. They'll come in right here. Full vehicle wraps will happen over there. And then over there, hell yeah, I love it. It's progress. That over there is gonna be like our super well lit light room where we're gonna do all of the videography is right over there. So just picture this looking really dope and not like it looks like right now. It's gonna be sick. Let's go up the mezzanine. Let's go see how sketchy it is. Woo! I really don't know what we're gonna do up here yet. First things first though, we're gonna support this floor, make it a little stronger because it's kind of scary, right? It's kind of scary.
No.
But the whole structure itself is really dope. It's strong, but these plywoods are a little old, so hopefully I don't fall through. How crazy would it be if I just fell through right now? But I want to do something cool up here. I don't know what it's going to be. If we're going to make a dope break room, maybe we'll
storage.
Put a slide.
Oh, dude, a break room would be so sick.
Make it tight up here.
I want to make it a freaking break area. It'd be so cool to have it up here.
What I'm thinking is like, what if we build this out and cover it and make it like a room, you know?
Oh, like a full on, like all the way out there, or?
I know, we put glass right here all the way through. We finish it off and make a room up here. I think it'd be dope. I don't know, you guys tell us, what should this room be, this mezzanine, what should we do with it? Ken, the mountain man. Here, I don't know what it was before, but we fully got rid of it. And I already feel like it's opened up a bunch of space right in this area. We gotta do floor, we gotta get floors dialed in. This place is gonna look sick, I promise you guys, here we go. Get my goddamn cowboy Oh shit! Hey guys, did you get that on film, bro? Yeah. I can't believe you're getting scratched in his head.
Leverage points. Geometry works, kids.
On our shoulder, we just looked down. I just saw you guys run past the door, and I was like, "What the fuck?"
Hey man, didn't think we were gonna fire him last week. I got this. Watch this. Check this out. First try. First try. You just need a little bit of slacker. Ready? Go hit the light.
I am the one, the way your son don't need no gun to get respect up on the street.
First coat is done. I think we need one more coat. Anthony's out there cutting wood. Already looks better. It looks like it had cigarette stained walls.
Yeah, it was really yellow.
It was fresh paint. But yeah, we're not doing it the right way. I know some people are gonna be like, you're not doing it professionally, but we're getting it done. Like, we still got to take stuff off the wall, but we just wanted to go ham and
Yeah,
get this stuff ready.
Yeah, done did it.
Yep. We still gotta patch some holes too. Whatever.
Time for second coat though?
Soon.
Obviously, it's gotten to be late. They took out everything except for that. That crap right there. But, you know, other than that, pretty cleared out. There's some wood left over here, but also we didn't catch this on camera, but there was all those shelves right here, and all of those are now gone. So now that's all cleared out. And yeah, there they are. Really making progress here. How you guys feel so far?
Really hit the head on the nail with this one, guy.
Oh God. Got any more? You want to just add on to it? Fucking we're on a roll now, aren't we?
Yeah, I mean, he's got all the good ones.
You really nailed that nail on the ground, didn't you?
Now you're just overdoing it.
Really stuck one to the man.
Oh
didn't you?
God. Okay, anyways. How you feeling about the progress?
Tired.
Yeah, I'm pretty tired. My hands are all blistered up.
My arms are killing me. Pulling up carpet does not feel good.
Pretty sure we're gonna change job titles to professional wood dismantler guys.
Yeah, you'll see that in the video. After this, or before this fool stepped on a nail, we were decimating wood.
You guys definitely were.
Commissioner!